Okay, so to make this, you're gonna need fish of your choice. I'm using tilapia that I just cut into halves. These are 2 fillets. You're gonna need some olive oil, some pepper, some salt, some lemon, and then you're also gonna wanna preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna just drizzle some olive oil over the top, just like so. And then I'm gonna do salt. And the good thing about this is if you do not have fish, you can do this with chicken. It tastes just as great. Added in some black pepper, and then you're gonna flip your fillet over because you want both sides to be pretty seasoned, just like so. And you'll do the same thing. Salt, pepper. Oopsie, wrong way. And then to finish this off, you're gonna do a drizzle of lemon juice. Just like so. And then finally, I take 1 slice of lemon and I place over the top. All right, now these are gonna go into your preheated oven, which is preheated at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillet. And then you're all set to enjoy.